Alright, it's December 19th, 2009, and we've been told by the weather services that we've got a blizzard conditions that are going to hit us. And last report, it's 1:30 right now. Snow has just started falling. As you see, it is, nothing heavy yet, but they're reporting anywhere between 12 to 18 inches of snow for our area as predicted. So I thought we'd just get some of this recorded and step out for a second. Snow is just starting to stick a little bit. Crackers, enjoy the snow. So, starting to stick on the ground there. Alright, so we'll come back in a little bit and we'll see how much more snow we've accumulated. It's now 4 o'clock, and as you see, really not much on the ground yet still. It did let up quite a bit earlier, just now started snowing again like what you see. And they are still predicting about 12 to 18 inches last time we checked. Now 7 o'clock, and even though a whole lot is not accumulated yet, you can still see there's some snow out there. And they're still predicting about 17 to 18 inches for our area. Later tonight it's supposed to pick up, and they're predicting 2 to 4 inches per hour. It's going to come down, wind gusts up to around 45-50 miles an hour. I'll just crack the door open real quick so you can get a picture outside real quick. You can see, you can just barely see some grass poking through, so, and we'll check it out later. So, 8:30, and the snow is coming down more consistently now, and the wind's picking up once in a while. You see it blow really good, so starting to pick up here. As you can see now, it's 9:30, and snow is starting to drift a little bit. See, it's catching up on the platform there, and all you see is white. It's having a very hard time focusing. White, white, white. Alright, it's 11:30. Just taking a shot out here and see how the snow is drifting up. How high it is up against the car there. Still a little bare there, but it is getting higher and higher. Cracker out, and we gotta make sure the door is clear before she goes out. There's snow up against the door here. Oh yeah, that's the only width you need for. Yeah, that's clear enough. Oh, that's clear enough for her. Alright. That's alright, babe.
There's so much snow, I want to run outside.
Put your butt. Cracker, let's go outside.
Hey, Cracker, come on. Go, puppy, go. She's like, oh. Oh my God.
She can't go. She can't go. There's no way for her to go. There's no way for her to squat.
There's so much snow.
Closing the door here.
Yeah.
There's so much snow. I want to go outside. There's so much snow.
Poor Cracker.
She's got to squat in the Uber cold and her butt's got it cold. What? You know how hyper I get from drinking iced tea. Woo! I could make the biggest igloo ever. Why tell me to shush?
Because it's like, I'm recording and you're like,
So extremely hyper.
Go ahead, Cracker.
Squat on the stairs.
Cracker's like, I ain't going in that. What are you, crazy?
Oh. Ginger poke. She'll squat anywhere she can get. Cracker's happy so
Poor baby.
We need to lay her near the fireplace. Hey, Jake, cover up with some snow like a cat. She could finally be a cat for once. She's like, I'm done. Does she have to go more? That dog has a lot of bladderness. Clear all the snow away. I need my snow news. And she's eating the snow.
That's what dogs do.
I don't want to eat the snow. No fair.
She picked up a chunk of snow.
Oh, don't scare her.
I think that's her way of saying, I'm done.
Don't close the door. Take care of her.
Get the,
Okay, it's 12:20. And, so I just did some shoveling here. It's pretty high. And I'm doing see how high the snow is there. And pool's pretty much full now.
get back, Cracker.
What? Alright, we're gonna check and see how high the snow is. It's what time is it here? It's almost 2:30 a.m. And if we can look out the door here, maybe even open up the door if we can. So you can see where that's at. We'll come back and see how close that was to the latch. Okay, so here we are, December 20th. Snow stopped. You can see quite a bit. The car covered.